Hi, Charlie. Say hi. Say hi to Grandma. Getting nap time. You want to take it off? Here. Come here. Whoopsie. Kristen was blowing bubbles and she went inside. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you need to go put the trash in the trash. Actually, put it in Papa's sack. That'll be trash. What are you doing, Charlie? See, he does stand still. Grinner. There's Charlie. You give your sister's brother a drink? You go up the slide, Charlie? Go up the ladder. Say hello, Kristen.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Kristen.
Yeah, we know you.
Brother.
Yep.
This is my trampoline. This is my backyard. This is my house. There's lots of stuff here. Spider web, a garden, play set, and this is my house. And this is my little puppy. He's one, and he's one too. I'm 6. I'm the oldest one. So, let's go back to Charlie.
And then we're missing our other brother.
And, my other brother doesn't have us.
Well, hopefully we'll get to see him today.
And this is him drinking my drink.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.